Looking for a paint stripper that handles tough jobs without the harsh chemicals? This water-based formula removes 15 or more layers of paint and coatings from a wide range of surfaces: wood, brick, metal, concrete, stone, plaster, fiberglass, and more. It's designed to work on everything from bathtubs and moldings to tile and glass, making it incredibly versatile for any project. What sets this product apart is its safety and ease of use. It's 100% biodegradable, fume-free, and contains no harmful chemicals like methylene chloride or NMP. That means no dangerous fumes or strong odors, making it safer for you and the environment. Professionals trust it, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner, safer paint removal experience. This stripper works best on paints applied after 1980, offering professional strength results both indoors and outdoors. Simply apply, let it sit, then rinse off. No neutralizing or extra cleanup needed. The formula emulsifies paint and coatings, leaving no mess behind. It's a straightforward, no-fuss solution that saves you time and effort. Proudly made in the USA, this advanced formula has been used on historic landmarks, museums, opera houses, and homes worldwide. Its non-toxic nature also makes it ideal for delicate surfaces, including intricate carvings or molded details. Plus, it's especially effective and safe for removing lead-based paint, giving you peace of mind on older projects. If you're a painting contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this product offers a reliable way to strip paint without damaging your surfaces. One user shared how it easily removed old lacquer from a piano bench with minimal dripping and no wood discoloration. Though it requires a few hours under plastic wrap to prevent drying, the results speak for themselves. Worth a look if you want a paint stripper that balances power with safety and convenience. It's designed to deliver professional results without the harsh side effects. Try it when you're ready to tackle your next paint removal project with confidence and care. Ready to experience a safer, more effective way to strip paint? This water-based paint remover offers the strength professionals rely on, combined with the safety you need. Whether you're restoring furniture or prepping a building, it's the smart choice for clean, hassle-free results.